Hey guys, I'm just going to walk you real through what the next experiment is. Here's the new generator, high frequency generator, power with DC. I went with DC because it's easy to manipulate, and this motor it runs on very low amperage and it turns really fast. Then we make as much frequency we need with this here. We push it through 3 spark gaps, so the power comes up, 3 spark gaps, and it goes to the resonating coil. And the resonating coil comes back into the generator, so the resonance is always kept at the right level. The transfer is a cool transfer of resonance and plasma to this coil. This coil goes through, the output of the coil goes through a slasher, which I'm making and I'm in the process of making, so you see the motor is going to drive it, and then it goes through the main horn of the transformer. And then the bottom of the coil goes into X3 and ground to the casing also. And from that, we will be able to have lights. The system is very simple. So we'll catch you later.